Today we are going to work on creating tables, graphs, and writing equations to model proportional relationships. All right, so here I have a word problem. A person can walk 2 miles in 30 minutes. If they continue at the same pace, model how far they can walk after several hours. All right, so 30 minutes is half of an hour. That was funny, my lights just turned off. Okay. So, if 0 hours passed, no time at all, I've walked 0 miles. Okay, in 1 hour, that would be 30 minutes 2 times. So I'd walk 2 miles and 2 more miles, which would be 4 miles. Okay, so kind of basically I can walk 4 miles in an hour. So then this one would be 8, 12, 16, 20. Don't be fooled. This one skipped to 20 hours. Okay, so for every hour that is passing, a person can walk 4 miles. So if 20 hours pass, that person could walk 80 miles. And that probably wouldn't all be in the same day. Maybe half one day, half the next. All right, if there's X hours that go by, we would just times it by 4. So the expression would be 4X. All right, so I'm going to model this on my graph next. All right, 0 hours, 0 miles. I'm going to put a dot right here. That would be 0, 0. So on the bottom, that would be the hours. And then on the y-axis, the one going up and down, that would be the miles traveled. All right, so then 1, 4. So I'm going to go over to 1 hour. I'm going to go up to 4 miles. And then 2, 8. So I'm going to go over 2, up 8. And then once I have as many dots that can fit, I'm definitely not going to be able to graph them all. I'm going to take this arrow and I'm going to hopefully connect the dots. And you have to click on that little blue dot and a little plus will appear and then it'll help you connect them. All right, equation. Oops. All right, y equals, all right, so every single hour, we can walk 4 miles, and it's times x. Basically, it's y equals whatever is in this box right here, okay? So you could replace x with any number of hours, times it by 4, and then y would equal how far you are traveling, okay? Good luck today.